Hey guys, it's Roy from ROCO12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with the Ringke tempered glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now, if I'm being 100% honest, I have actually never used the Ringke tempered glass screen protectors. I have used many of Ringke's other products and have always been very impressed with them. So I'm excited to be trying out their screen protector today and seeing how this works. The screen protector is considered a premium screen protector. It is tempered glass. It comes with a 9H high hardness scratch resistance. It has a maximum HD resolution, supposed to be perfect touch precision, as well as anti-chip with external force absorption. So to put this on, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up here and see what we got in the package. Okay, so first things first is we're going to take out the screen protector. And we're going to take it and apply it. You want the step one side facing down. That is the side that's going to adhere to the screen itself. We're going to take this piece, put it like this. Take this piece and pinch it on down. And we have that ready, so I'm going to set that over here for just a second. I'm going to get my phone out, and I'm going to start cleaning this up. So once you have it all cleaned off and everything looks good, you're going to take the screen protector, you're going to take the piece with the USB-C charging port and slide that in. Once you get that all nice and pretty, I recommend turning on the screen to see if it's going to line up where you want it to line up. Once everything's good to go, you're going to pull this side up, peel that off.
Someone's at the front door.
And then you're going to set this down. And once everything's where you want it to be, you're going to use your little squeegee here. Squeegee the rest of it out. You're going to take this piece off and peel this up. And peel that last layer off your screen protector. It does look like I have a couple of small air bubbles there that are left. Get those out the rest of the way. Now with most screen protectors, it is normal to see a little bit of bubbling at the very end there. Those do normally go away within 1 or 2 days. And presto, admire the beauty of that screen protector. So the screen protector is rated fairly well, and it does do a lot to protect your device. It does have a 9H hardness there, so I should be able to just take my knife here, run that along, and as you can see, it's still in pristine condition. I don't see any scratches at all. Should also be able to take it and drop it there. There's no cracks, no shatters, no nothing. This thing looks amazing. I'm excited to give this a little bit more of a try and see how it lasts and how it holds up. It does look like it's going to be pretty good so far. All in all, it's a great screen protector, and I'm looking forward to having it on my phone. My phone will definitely be a little bit more protected here. If you guys have any questions about the installation process, about the screen protector, or about any of Ringke's other products, please feel free to hit us up in the comments section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've liked this video and want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.